Now how to apply these steps? Let me show you in this video. Hi everyone, welcome to daily practice. In this video, I am going to explain you each and every step of the solution of the question that you can see on your screen. So I urge you to watch this video till end, and if you have any doubt, you can share it in the comment box or DM it on my Instagram handle. Without any further delay, let's start solving this question. First step is we have to read the given question. Find the derivative of function y is equal to f of x. So this is the given function and this function is equal to y is equal to f of x. We have to convert this given function y is equal to f of x into its inverse function, which is x is equal to f inverse of y. Then once we find out this inverse function, we have to differentiate this with respect to y and find out the value of dx by dy. Now once we get this dx by dy using theorem of derivatives of inverse function, we will find dy by dx, which is equal to 1 upon dx by dy. Now how to apply these steps? Let me show you in this video. Solution. First we will note down the given question, that is y is equal to log of x by 2 to the base 2. Now this is function of x. I will convert it into function of y. Means what we have to do? We have to shift this x on the left side, and then whatever function we get in terms of y, we have to write it on the right side. Now what I will do for this, see, here I have log of x upon 2 to the base 2. So I will use laws of logarithm and write this function as 2 raised to y is equal to x upon 2. Then I will shift this 2 on left side. Then what I will get? X is equal to 2 into 2 raised to y. And using laws of indices, I will write this step as x is equal to 2 raised to y plus 1. Now here you can see that I have obtained this inverse function of the given function, that is y is equal to log of x upon 2 to the base 2. Now once I have got x is equal to f inverse of y, then I will differentiate this with respect to y. Then what I will get? Differentiate with respect to y. Then what I will get? Dx by dy, which is equal to, now derivative of 2 raised to y plus 1 will be 2 raised to y plus 1 into log of 2 into derivative of y plus 1. So derivative of y plus 1 will be, derivative of y with respect to y will be 1 plus derivative of 1 will be 0. Therefore, on simplifying this, what I will get? Dx by dy is equal to 2 raised to y plus 1 into log of 2. Now here you can see that 2 raised to y plus 1 is equal to x. So I will put this value of equation 1 in this step. Then what I will get? Dx by dy is equal to x into log of 2. X into log of 2. Now I have got the value of dx by dy. Now I will use theorem of derivatives of inverse function. Then what I will get? Dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx by dy. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to, value of dx by dy is 1 upon x into log of 2. As you can see that we cannot simplify this further. So this is our required answer. Required answer. So in this way we solve this question. The most important step in this question is to convert the given function y is equal to f of x, which is log of x by 2 to the base 2. So using the laws of logarithm, we have converted this in this form. And on further simplifying, we have obtained the inverse function of given function y is equal to f of x, which is x is equal to f inverse of y. Now once we get this x is equal to f inverse of y, we differentiate this function with respect to y and obtain the value of dx by dy, which is x into log of 2. Now once we get this value, we will use theorem of derivatives of inverse function, which is dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx by dy. And once we substitute the value of dx by dy, we get the required answer, which is 1 upon x into log of 2. So in this way, we solve this given question. If you got each and every step of this solution, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And if you have any doubt, you can share it in the comment box or DM it to me on my Instagram handle. That's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing.